Like any battery, eventually you'll need to replace your long-lasting Toyota key remote battery, and ideally you want to do this before it fully dies so there's minimal interruption accessing your vehicle. Typically a battery will last around 3 to 5 years, and as the battery begins to die, you'll likely notice one or more of the following. The car won't unlock remotely. You need to exert more effort to get the key remote to work, or the remote only works occasionally. The range in which you can remotely unlock your vehicle significantly decreases, and the LED light which illuminates when you press the remote doesn't light up anymore. Our friendly team in the Lander Toyota Parts Department will happily swap the battery out for you. However, if you'd like to change it yourself, here's a simple step-by-step process to follow. Step 1. Take note of the kind of battery you need to replace. This is either written on the battery itself, or you can also find this in your owner's manual. Step 2. Release the lock and take the key out of the remote. Step 3. Gently open the remote by fitting an appropriate size flathead screwdriver between the two covers, or if you have a smart key, use the blade provided as demonstrated. Step 4. If necessary, remove the electronic key module from the cover so the battery is visible. Step 5. Insert the new battery with the positive terminal facing upwards. And Step 6. Place the battery cover back on and reattach both sides of the remote casing. Oh, what a feeling! Toyota.